welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright everyone, so today is going to be a Birchbox unboxing. Just got it in a couple days ago, so if you're unfamiliar with what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription that you can pay either yearly or annually. You can either pay monthly or annually, and I think it's $10 a month, or you can pay $110, and essentially you get a free box by the end of the year or whatever. So, and if you're interested, after you watch this video and you see what all I got and everything, if you're interested in trying it out, then I do have a referral link. It's not an affiliate code. I do not get money to talk about this. It's just a referral link. I get points and you get points. So yeah, I will have a referral link down below. You can click on it and whatnot. And yeah, so I guess if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Birchbox this month, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. And that way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on if I do a live stream, that's usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's when you can be looking out for new content from me. And without further ado, let's see what Birchbox is. Alright everyone, so here's the box, and my mom got hers in the other day, and I did look at it, so I don't know if we got the same things or not, but okie dokie. It says, we're celebrating you. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our awesome customers, aka you. You helped us reach 1 million global subscribers. You've written 136,000 reviews just for Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle alone. I do like that leave-in conditioner. You inspired us to launch the Future Starts new fund to invest in your dreams. You've come up with countless creative ways to upcycle your Birchboxes, and you share your unique unboxing experiences with us each month. All right, well. First thing I see is this eyeshadow magnetic single by IPSY, I guess. I don't know. Huh. It's shimmery, so I'm not sure if I'll use it. I'll have to see. Let's see if I can open it and swatch it. Oh, well, I kind of did swatch it. There you go, because I put my finger down in it. There's the swatch. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. Probably can't even see it that well, but it's cute. It's called Metamorphosis. I don't even know what this brand is, but that's cute. Did y'all get this? If you did, what color did you get? Did you get Metamorphosis? Let me know. Next thing I see is Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. I don't really use a whole lot of stuff in my hair. You know. I mean, I like doing hair, but at the same time, I'm just, you know, I just either straighten it or curl it. I don't really mess with it. Shake and mist on next day hair, heat style or air dry to redefine your style. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a blowout extender sort of thing. Have y'all tried this? And if you have, let me know. Oh, I'm kind of excited about this. My mom got this. It's the Air Repair Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. I was excited to try this. I might get hers because she said she wasn't interested in anything she got this month. Sure. Okay, and I got Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch, Your Blemish Hero. Okay. Cool, I guess. Blemishes always show up at the worst times, before a date or an interview or just any time you need to show your face in public. That's why we created Mighty Patch, a new way to battle those pesky blemishes without harsh chemicals or drying formulas. I think it shows you how to apply it right there. Huh. This comes with 6 patches that are 12 millimeters long. Okay, well, maybe I'll try it. Who knows? The next thing I see is Kiehl's Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I think that my mom got this. I'm not really sure. My only quarrel with this is that it says it's for normal to oily skin type, and I don't really have that, but I might still use it anyway, whatever. I just don't want it to dry my face out. The only thing about things with oily skin types, they do tend to dry out your skin, and I don't want it to do that. would read some about it, but there's nothing there to read. Alright, so on to the paper. It says Air Repair Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. Full size is $26. Kind of an expensive serum. It says your skin will drink up this serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to face and neck. Okay. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original. Full size is $12.99. That's not too bad. I don't think. I don't know. I've never used one before. Pop on one of these blemish busting patches that draws out impurities and protects the skin heals. After cleansing, place one onto pimple for at least 6 hours and then remove. So it's kind of like medicine, but not medicine. Okay. And IPSY, I guess that's how you say that, Pearl Eyeshadow and Metamorphosis retails for $9. Enhance your eyes with this rich bronze shade that is pearlized metallic sheen. Wear it alone or add it to the exclusive IPSY Birchbox customizable palette. Oh, okay. I didn't know they had one of those. And the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash retails between $13 and $45. That one must retail for $13 because it's like a kind of a mini size. So that meant that that's more than the box, I guess. This gentle foaming cleanser is formulated with soothing botanic extracts to remove makeup and grime, avoiding the eye area. Massage a dime-sized amount onto damp skin and then rinse. And then the Oribe Mystifying Restyling Spray, full size is $44. Whip your hair back into shape with this innovative spray, which reactivates styling products on second-day hair. Shake and mist all over and then heat style. Well, alrighty then. Alright, y'all, so what did you get in your Birchboxes? Do you get Birchbox? If you don't, what did you get and what do you get? I'd love to know. It's always interesting to see what everyone gets in their subscription boxes each month. Especially since there's so many out there. Like, there's a ton of subscription boxes. Heck, there's even food service subscription boxes, so. Alright guys, I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if I do a live stream, it'll usually be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's when you can be looking out for new content from me. And I just want to say thank you so much for coming out and watching my video. Y'all just make my day every time you do, because I know you don't have to, and it just warms my heart that you would. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, y'all, so today is going to be a Birchbox unboxing. I just got it in a couple days ago and hadn't had a chance to film it, so